What do we have to celebrate?
Yeah, we have to celebrate because of the what do you call this?
Longer quarantine.
Because they extend the lockdown again until March, so that's why we have to celebrate because it's lockdown still. So
Just
I've got
joking.
some wine, prosecco, and snaps, and in this lovely, cold but sunny weather, beautiful.
But
So
inside of these glasses are just juice.
just juice, so I can drink it. So come and join me.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.